What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Redline Revs, and what I'm going to be doing today is installing and reviewing this Team Heko Wind Deflectors on my Seat Leon Cupra R. Now, Heko are a Polish company. They make some great wind deflectors for all makes and models. Make sure you get the right one for your car. The procedure I'm about to show you is pretty much identical for all of them. And I want my subscribers to go out and get these because I think they're really quite cool and they add to the look of the car. So here's some shots of what it looks like without them on, and now let's go get them installed. Right, so I've got the driver's side one here. These were on my car before, so I haven't got the double-sided sticky tape, which you probably have on a new one. But you can of course put that on yourself. First thing you want to do is put the window down and just run your screwdriver through the window channel to check there isn't anything in there that might be jamming it or any dirt or anything like that. Checking there's no crap that's built up in there. Okay, so that's the driver's side one. And put it inside here first. And the back. So it sort of pushes in the corner there. Tuck it in. The side that hasn't got the pin on it goes on the outside. The smooth side on the outside. You'll have these clips with the wind deflector. Just put them behind the wind deflector in the window channel and push up hard with your screwdriver. Let's see where it's loose from. Put one on this side over here. And again, all I did is just slightly bend that to just very slightly. But actually you just tuck that into the window channel right behind the wind deflector and push up with the screwdriver and just go in. That's quite firm. I still see a little bit of movement in the middle, so I'm going to put a third one in there. Okay, so there's still a bit of movement here, so I'm just going to put this right there in the middle. It does help if you slightly bend it before you put it in. I think that's nice and secure. Let me check where the window goes up. Got some of the old clips still in here. And we'll see if that holds them. So here I've just put it in one edge, the other edge. That feels a bit loose to me. So I'm just going to add some more clips. I still loose from this side, and then another one here. Much better. There we go. So that's one side complete, and I really do think it sort of adds to the look of the car. But if you take a look at that side, we've got the wind deflectors, and then the side where we don't. Kind of looks naked without them. Go down, and check the window channel. I've got some old Heko clips in here. I will just leave it in there. I've got another one there as well. So I have got 2 clips in there from when I took them off before. But I'll just add any more if I need them. So, get it like this. Back. So I actually ordered these clips on eBay because I had these wind deflectors on the car when I got the car, but when I got my windows tinted they took them off, and then I've just been a bit lazy to put them back on. So again, the smooth side comes to the outside and the pin goes on the inside of the window channel. And just because I'm putting them in slightly odd places, just because I've already got some in there, so I don't want to double up and what would have otherwise been the sort of best place to put them, which would have been maybe a couple of inches outside the edge of the door frames. Oh, that's the wrong way around, there we go. Yeah, and slightly loose in the middle, so I'm going to put one there as well. I'm happy with that. I did get that clean before I put it on, but it's got dirty again. That's so low. Now let's just check the windows going on. Now, in the event that the anti-trap thing basically knocks down, just make sure that everything is up nicely. Get someone else to put the window up and sort of use your hands to help the window. One last one to do. A couple of clips in here as well still. And yeah, I mean, if I wasn't so lazy, I could put some more double-sided sticky tape there, because the stuff that was on it originally is obviously dried up now, but being lazy and having ordered 12 of these off eBay for not very much money, I decided I'll just stick these in. Two. I reckon that's firm enough, but what am I going to do with the spare one? So I'll just put it in. Actually, I don't want to overdo it, there's no need, because there's already a couple in there. So let's check that the window goes up. And now if you just leave the windows closed in the car and up for, leave it like overnight, 24 hours, everything should sort of mold into the shape that it needs to be in to hold all of that security. Let's take a look how it looks. Yeah, I mean, it's a subtle thing, but it definitely does make a difference. Because my windows are tinted, you don't see it as much, but it's still kind of cool. If you're driving, you got the windows slightly down, you know, you can get some air in. If it's raining or whatever, then you don't have rain coming in and you can still have the windows ajar. For those of you who are smokers, you should probably quit, but you know, it's helpful. So yeah, that's it. Team Heko Wind Deflectors, Redline Revs. Comment, rate, subscribe.